you don't have to be the loudest in the room to succeed. You don't have to do this thing, stupid things, what people do on social media, like throwing their clothes on the road, right? Don't do that. Do stuff that you feel aligned. Do stuff that matches with you, your values, right? Very recently, I met with somebody, and she said, I'm not a big on LinkedIn, but I still have an active presence, but I'm not very active. She said, your profile has quiet dominance, and that word stuck with me, and I wanted to use it. So by meaning quiet dominance, I'm not loud there. I'm not screaming there. I'm not really always active there. But when I post, it's a very, very powerful post that anchors my authority, that anchors my leadership, that anchors what I do. It just evidences stuff. So you don't have to be the loudest in the room to succeed. You just have to have the right amount of presence that will actually, for introverts, make you quite dominant in the social media world.